Hello, welcome to Boone's Backcountry Bushcraft, and today I'm going to be showing you all my new goodies that was bought for my forge. So the first new thing is this anvil that was bought to replace my old one. This one's a lot bigger, a lot nicer, I think. Got a few chips in it, but other than that, it's really nice. Came with a stand. This wrap was made by an old bourbon barrel. Moving on, we have a brand new forge. Same brand as my old one, but this one's a double propane. And it's lined with concrete. And this is all the stuff to make the concrete and kind of reseal it. And the anvil also came with these tong making kits. And this here, which is supposed to go in your forge hole, and it holds down your metal. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the quick little video. God bless.